How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the No Moto show. I'll be trying to find some of, well, right now I'm going to see if I can find the Mountain Charlie tunnel. Thanks to Jeff for pointing me in the right direction. But I'll be trying to find it via truck and then walking while my arm is unusable. Obviously I can't ride my bike, which is unfortunate, but in the meantime we're gonna keep on trying to find some of these tunnels. So yeah, headed there now. I'll check in with you in a little bit. Yeah, and jaunt to the left. Oh yeah, there it is. Holy shit, that's like the biggest one I've seen so far too. That's badass.
Yeah.
There it is in all its glory. 1908. Thank you, Jeff, for helping me find this. And Henry.